Welcome back to the Emma and Michael Learn English podcast, where grammar meets giggles and English gets easy, one episode at a time.
I'm Michael, your lovable grammar rebel, here to twist the rules just enough to annoy Emma.
And I'm Emma, your no-nonsense English guide who knows that facts matter, especially in grammar.
And today's all about the facts, literally. We're using the present simple tense to talk about facts and universal truths.
Let's start with part 1. What are universal truths? Present simple is used to state things that are always true. These could be scientific facts, general truths, or things that don't change.
For example, the sun rises in the east, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, dogs bark, ice melts in heat.
And Michael forgets his coffee every morning.
Hey, that's an accidental truth.
Time to say the truths out loud. Repeat after us. Let's build that fluency. The earth goes around the sun.
Birds fly in the sky.
The moon shines at night.
People need air to live.
Michael makes grammar mistakes. That last one is debatable.
But funny, so it stays.
Part 3. Fill in the blank mini quiz.
Okay, it's time to test your brain with a fun grammar quiz. We'll leave a space for the missing word. You think of the answer, then we'll tell you if you got it right.
And hey, if you get them all right, you win Michael's secret cookie stash.
What? That's classified. The sun, space, in the east. That's right, the answer is rises. The sun rises in the east.
2. Water space at 100 degrees Celsius. Correct, it's boils. Water boils at 100 degrees.
3. Cat space milk. You nailed it. It's like cats like milk.
4. The sky space blue. Nice job. The answer is. The sky is blue.
5. Emma space tea every morning. Yes, it's drinks. Emma drinks tea every morning, and she doesn't share.
Not even one sip. Okay, guys, don't stop learning and growing.
Remember, grammar isn't just about rules. It's how we understand the world.
Thanks for learning with us today. You're getting better every episode.
Join us in episode 7. We'll flip things around and talk about negative sentences in present simple.
Like Michael doesn't always arrive on time.
Hey, we said facts only.
This was Learn English with Emma and Michael. See you in the next episode.